Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Armored Outdoors channel. What is in front of you here are the remnants, the scraps from when I profile out a blank of the knife. Now what I've been trying to do lately is leave these as long as possible because a lot of times there are knives hidden in the inverse. Now usually you would cut up these into a bunch of segments, allow room for your bandsaw to come through and clean it up nice and easily. But if you can leave them long like this, a lot of times there are knives hidden within. And that is what today is all about. So the first step in this is trying to figure out a profile. Now, of course, for something like this, we're going to be limited to a 3-finger knife, which is perfect. We'll have a solid 2 inches of blade steel on this one. Not a lot of room with this, but these guys actually have a lot of potential. They're a bit longer. You can actually get a full handle on here with a very nice, about 3-inch blade. So let's get to working on these. This is going to be completely just eyeballing. There's going to be no drawing. Just working on the grinder and seeing what shape comes out. Here we have the finished profile of this little scrapper, and I gotta say, I love doing this with the scraps. It shoots me in different directions. Now, this is not a profile that I would go to the drawing board, draw out, and conceptualize. And yet here it is, a very capable, comfortable knife. It's got a full grip on it. Awesome little knife. Time to get a bevel on this and we'll be ready for heat treat. Just like that, 3 little knives, ready for heat treat. I do drill a hole in here for the lanyard. These are gonna be wrapped handles. So I've just finished putting the bevels on these sweet little scrappers. I love how they came out. They've got a nice belt finish on them. So we've got the forge scale. That's the way I like my knives. The next step to go inside, I'm going to wrap these handles. After that, we'll put an edge on them and they'll be finished. Sharpen up these little scrappers. Yes, I love how these little scrappers turned out. They've got their wrapped handle on there. Very comfortable in hand. There's actually a little fob on the bottom. 1, it looks cool. 2, it aids in extraction out of the sheath. And then 3, when you've got a 3-finger grip, your pinky can actually wrap around this pull down and give you a little bit more sure grip in hand. Very functional, looks cool. Yeah, I dig them. I've been putting on a lot of my knives now. This one turned out well. Warncliffe style blade. Very nice edge. These are wicked sharp, ready for work. I like the green wrap on this one. But my favorite of the bunch, look at the tip on this one. It is just wicked. Not quite as strong, obviously, as the other two. But man, this is stabby looking, isn't it? This one feels the best in hand as well. It is a little bit bigger, so it's got that going for it. It feels awesome. Beautiful pot belly on here. This would make a sweet little utility knife. The way I do these sheaths up, you can either wear them as a neck knife, or on this side, I've actually put in belt loops so you can carry this as a belt knife. Retention is beautiful on here. Very cool little knives. Very cool. Over here, I have two others from a previous time, and this one's got a really awesome American Tanto style blade. Feels great in hand. It's got that cool blue wrap. A little bit longer lanyard on this one. Again, same design with the sheath. Very cool. If you'd like to purchase one of these knives, I'll have them up on my website, ironridgeoutdoors.com, and they will be available for purchase. And I'll keep updating adding knives to the site as well. This one, I didn't wrap this one because it just has such a cool rock texture. It actually feels really nice in hand. What a cool little blade this one is. Super skinny. It doesn't weigh anything. Just disappears. Makes for a great neck knife. Will not be falling out of this sheath at all. No rattling. What a cool blade. But like I said, if you'd like to purchase one of these awesome little scrappers, check out my website. They'll be posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.